Tours rose 19% week over week on the Maryland Eastern Shore, resulting in 4% more new contracts this report than last. However, new contracts are behind 17.3% compared to last year at this same time. It's Friday, July 18th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. It's taking 4 days longer this year than last for sellers to get a contract as list prices fall 6.7%. Queen Anne's County prices are down 2.6%. Talbot County is off 20.9%, and Worcester County fell 13.1%. Inventory activity rose 1.1% to 2,193 units for sale. 109 properties are coming soon. Homes going under contract rose 43% to 193 in 27 days from last report. 127 homes settled at 97%. List to sold ratio with days before contract at 28 days. 130 homes are for lease at a median $2,200 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, July 18th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.